In this video, we'll walk you through how to track leads with LeadPages analytics so you can get a better understanding of your lead generation efforts and optimize for success. Stick around, because at the end, we'll show you a few alternatives that might suit your goals even better, and they all offer free trials too. First off, let's dive into LeadPages itself. LeadPages offers some useful lead tracking features, but keep in mind, it's not perfect. If you're used to more in-depth analytics tools, you might find its options a bit limiting, but it does give you some basic and essential insights. Here's how to make the most of it. The first thing you'll need to do is connect your account with Google Analytics. This will allow you to track and measure visitor behavior and performance across your landing pages. You'll need to head to the Tracking section in your LeadPages dashboard and paste your Google Analytics tracking ID there. That way, you'll have all your traffic data available for deeper insights. It's fairly simple, but crucial for tracking the real performance of your pages. Next, let's talk about the Lead Notifications feature. This allows you to get instant notifications whenever someone submits their information on your landing page. But be cautious. While it's nice to get immediate alerts, it doesn't give you a full picture of your lead journey. If you need more detailed reports, this will only get you so far. So, while it's great for staying on top of new leads, it's not an all-in-one solution. The third thing you need to know about is the conversion metrics. Here, you can see how well your landing pages are performing in terms of converting visitors into leads. You'll get a conversion rate, which is helpful for assessing page effectiveness. However, LeadPages doesn't offer advanced tracking like heat maps or session replays, which would give you better context to why people might drop off without converting. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the A/B testing option. LeadPages offers a simple version of this for testing two versions of a page to see which performs better. It's good for basic comparisons, but it's limited compared to what other platforms like Unbounce or Opt-in Monster offer. If you want to test more than just a few elements, LeadPages can feel a bit restricted. Now, we need to discuss the analytics dashboard itself. It gives you a broad overview, but some might find it lacking when it comes to detailed user behavior tracking. If you want to dive deeper into things like specific interactions or follow user journeys across multiple touchpoints, you might find LeadPages a little too basic. It's a solid starting point for beginners, but if you're scaling your campaigns or need detailed insights, you might hit a wall. Lastly, while LeadPages does offer some analytics, the platform itself is designed more for ease of use than for heavy data analysis. So, if your goal is to really dig into your numbers and optimize based on real-time insights, there might be better alternatives that provide more robust analytics without needing as many integrations. Which brings me to the alternatives. While LeadPages does have useful features for tracking leads, it's limited when it comes to deeper analytics. The good news? We found some tools that could be a better fit for your needs, tools that still offer great free trials, and you'll get exclusive benefits by signing up through the link in the description. If you want more detailed analytics with better tracking for lead behavior and optimization, there are platforms that can offer advanced features like heat maps, session replays, and full funnel tracking. So, before you make your decision, consider these alternatives. To get the best free trial and exclusive benefits, check the link in the description. You won't only get the extended trial, but also some unique perks only available to our viewers. So, make sure you check that out.